Black Feeding Pro. Hello, sorry for my voice. I know it's ugly, but we're playing Cute Tower. I would actually rather fall right now. I'm actually gonna fall right now. I mean later. When I do. So I'm not trying to purposely fall. Because, I don't know. Y'all are asking. I have Robux. This is not a dress up game. If this was a dress up game, it wouldn't have these clothes. And yeah. Chocolate Oreo. It's the chocolate cat tower is not that hard. Yeah, it's short. I should raise my voice, for the reasons. Okay, we're almost there. Shortcut. Tapos na. La. Ay, kala ko. La. Eto, yung dress up. Wala namang damit na ganito. Tignan mo, mga kawaii lang yan. Mga weird things. Ganyan. Alam mga accessory na ganito. Okay. So, I'm ending this now. I hope you all would appreciate my hobbies. So, thank you and bye-bye.